For this video I took this and made this. Let's see how it went. So this roll of film has 24 exposures and it's already 20 years expired. Let's open up this baby. Okay, first frame. I turned off the Quartz Date mode, so there will be no date. Maybe during the shoot I will set it again. One thing to remember is to always turn off the flash. Okay, now it's off. Oh, my first ever shot on this camera. Actually it went very fast. I thought it will be focusing a bit, but no, it just took the shot. Let's see if you can see through the viewfinder. So this building is very new. It was renovated just like this year, I think. So it's very sunny right now. We are going to hide from the sun a little bit. Let's take a look over this building. Okay, I got it. So you half press it and green dot appears there on the right side. I think it's signaling that the focus is achieved. But you have to press really gently, because if you press too much it just fires. I really like this trick too. It's already 4 frames. I will be empty in no time. Take off my sunnies. Let's see with the person. So I'm half pressing. Yes, I see the green dot. Okay, 5 frames. I like how this camera looks. It's very cool, I think. And actually it is super small. Oops, I pressed too much and took a photo. I think it will be a terrible one. Let's go over that sunny side. I'm going to try the tower. By the way, this lens is 35mm, so you have to cope with that. Actually, now it was like that. I pressed it, half pressed it, and I had red dot on the upper side and a green dot on the lower side. I don't know what it means. Maybe you know. Please drop a comment about that. And one more thing I don't understand yet is when I press the shutter, the lens goes whoop, and I think then the camera takes a photo, boom, and it goes back again. Whoop. So I have to hold still and wait. But all these times I took a photo, I immediately moved the camera away. We will see. I have to turn off the flash. I always forget it. So that building is very nice. This one is very nice in sun. Actually, there you can see the very famous Latvian grandma that is doing music for many years already. I'll try to snap a pic of her. A man in yellow jacket is going too fast. I will try to snap it. Okay, forgot to turn off the flash, and we got a photo with flash. Can I take a photo of you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Okay, it was a cool photo of girls, but also with flash. Well, the good thing about that is now I know how the flash works, and I'll try to use it wisely next time. For example, turn it off right now. It's not that easy to press with gloves. Maybe I can try this door. I will be able to see how straight the line appears when shot on this camera. When I'm in this area, I always love to look at this building to take photos of it on phone. I have some on my DSLR, but I think I don't have any on my film. So let's try it right now. Turn on, wait, turn on off the flash, step back a little bit, maybe even with this terrace. Got it. Actually, most of the frames I do are vertical. Maybe I should do some horizontals too. Right now I'm going for coffee there. I think I'm going to take this one, Latte Primavera. So let's try the coffee. Look at that crow. So you see the camera is slow while you turn off the flash, your subject already flees. So right now I have only 8 frames left. Let's get that guy. Oh, it's a girl. Not a guy. Maybe we can shoot how people get out of this tram. Just an idea. So these last 2 frames, I just snapped it without looking. I don't know how good they came out, because apparently you have to develop the film, but of course you already seen them. Maybe I can snap these guys too. So this is the central station and very huge intersection. So only 4 frames left and we are going to develop this film. Actually not developed by ourselves, but I don't know why I call myself we. Maybe because I talk to you guys and you're like my inner self, if it's possible to call it like that. Guys, excuse me, I'm doing film photography. Maybe I can take a photo of you together. I'm doing film photography on my small camera. I can send you later if you want.
Where will you put this?
It's for YouTube. I can send you later.
You are like a YouTuber?
Starting one. Starting out. It will be cool, why not? You will be in mask. You're so shy. We'll have only one chance, it's film.
And you here, right?
Yes. So you were walking very cool and cozy. Do the same right now. Just be together, I don't know. And closer to each other. And 1, 2. Oh no, it had a flash, wait. Actually I have to turn off the flash every time, so I will do it now. And let's make another one. Maybe a bit closer, like a couple shot, I don't know. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yep, thank you. So I can send them to you?
Yeah.
Instagram, okay. So thanks for that.
Yeah.
See you. There is Riga Cathedral, and actually here near it is very cool installation with these homes for birds. Forgot how is it in English. Скворечники, в общем. I think it's very good stuff. This installation has very mild colors, and I wonder how this expired film will render it. So the film is Kodak Kodacolor, if I'm not mistaken. Turn it on. Don't forget to turn off the flash, like this. And I don't like this lamppost, maybe with only the domes. Oh great, now sun shines. And I have only 1 frame left. So, the last frame. What should I shoot? Right now we're approaching Art Nouveau district of Riga. It's one of the most beautiful districts. It's located in silent center, and I always want to do photo shoots here, but I really do, I don't know why, but I'm going to make a photo shoot here on this camera. I think I'm going to use Kodak Portra 400 for that, but we'll see, who knows. Actually, maybe I can do a selfie here, because I'd like to have a photo on this film. Should I mount the camera here on this dirty spot? Looks very bad. Or maybe just here. There is self-timer here. I don't know how it works, but I want to check it out. Maybe I can mount it here on this pine tree. Or is it a fir tree? Actually, it's not real. Or maybe somewhere here. Something like this. I have no idea how this works, but probably you have to just press it. Okay, so let's try. I have no idea what will come out of this, but it's even more fun like that. Okay, how many seconds? Oh, it's so cool. I have no idea what kind of photo I'll get, but so let's go to Photoshop to develop this film. Or actually maybe it has one more frame, because it says 24 and it's not rewinded yet. Let's try to snap it and see. Now it says 25 and this roll has 24. Shouldn't it rewind by itself? Well, it seems that we're taking another one. I think this is one of the most famous Art Nouveau buildings in Riga. Well, now it's 26 and nothing happens. Let me check it with Google. So right now I'm reading about this issue, and some say that it's normal. Some cameras can squeeze 1 or 2 frames more. 27 now. Oh no, it rewinds. So good news. Okay, it's done. So we are going to remove the film now. Doing this for the first time. Opening the case. And here you are. The film is rewinded. Let's take it out. Great. Close it down. Expired for 20 years. So I've got 2 more rolls. Fuji 400 and Portra 400. This I will be using for the next photo shoot on this little camera, and this I think for street photos. 28 euros with developing and scanning.